want you all to see real quick. The brother was telling me this area is called, you said commercial? Community. And they have all types of buildings for Social Security, for the water department. If you need the land building is here, if you need a title. Right here is the National Library, the Maktaba. And I was telling him this is like the nicest library I've ever seen. I haven't seen one as nice as this in America before. It's huge. But this is the area you need to come to handle your business, basically, in Kenya. So, you gotta get some stuff done, come to community. You said this is a bank? You said a small bank?
It's medium.
Yeah, this is pretty big too to me, man. Okay, this is a busy area, man. You can get a lot done. So if you all see the 88 building in the back, the brother said this is gonna be the third largest or tallest building in all of Africa. He said they started construction in 2020, and they are definitely making progress, man. He said this is where you get your license, basically their DMV. They got a lot of beautiful buildings here too. I like the construction they do here. And that's all the people waiting on the bus, probably waiting to get home. But he said it'll be a mixed-use building when it's done. So a little commercial use, residential. I'm sure it's gonna be incredible when it's finished because it'll be super modern.
Yes.
And you'll probably be able to get almost everything you need in the building. So. That's looking good. I still have to drive. This is a matatu, right?
Yeah.
I still got to ride one. I went inside one, but I didn't take a ride in it though.
So that's the public service club.
Okay. What is a public service club? What is it?
Like
Okay.
Or like a place for recreation.
Alright. So yeah, they have a lot to offer in this area, man.
So you pay, you become a member.
That's what I'm hoping more African nations start to go towards that. Renewable energy, solar, wind.
No, there's a big farm in Turkana.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, I love that. I think in Nigeria, they're building like a new nuclear plant or something. But it's like I don't want to see them going towards that. That's not.
Even Kenya, they're trying to build.
Yeah, but that's not good.
America is giving them money.
Yeah, but that comes with a lot of pollution, you know.
Yes.
It's a lot of toxic byproducts that come from that. That's why I like when it's like, all right, let's focus on solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric, you know.
So for me to go home, I pass
Go through there. Okay.
Yes. Then I connect to another road. Just walk.
Very cool.
I prefer that area because the courthouse is just.
Yeah, it's convenient for you. Hey, well, you blessed, brother.
This is now the
Cancer treatment center.
this is now the So
Yeah, he was just telling me, I don't know if I got it on camera, but he was saying they got the Kenyatta Hospital, which is the public one, the big new one on the left side. And then they have the Nairobi Hospital across the street, which is the private one.
Yes, Baba. Hey, Baba, yes, Baba. Yes, Baba. Hey, Baba, yes. That's
Ah, okay. This is the Nairobi hospital.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, this is still some of the Nairobi hospital here.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I was wondering why, because when I saw it was a medical training college, I'm like, why is it clothes hanging up on the outside? Like they must live there like a dorm, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are attached to that particular option.
Right.
They finish classes, they go there.
So that's interesting. So they had a medical training center where they live and they learn to be doctors and nurses and medical practitioners. And the hospitals are right here, like across the street, not far at all. In the distance, that's the Kenyatta Hospital he was talking about, the public one, that big, nice building. I like how they built it and structured it, man.
Yes.
That's smart. You can live here, train here, and they do like internships or whatever.
Yes.
Yeah. Go right across the street and shadow a real doctor or nurse.
Zaya tulipata hapa bado
These are universities?
Yeah, they
Ah, okay. So is that a common thing in your family to work in like law? Cause I see one of your relatives was my probation officer, and you got one at the embassy.
Yeah. We are diverse.
Okay.
My dad is an engineer.
So mine is like my father's a police officer, my brother's a police officer. I chose a different path that wasn't for me, you know.
So now all of this is Nairobi.
Ah, okay.
And you see that creator of
Yeah.
can see.
Yeah, I see. I would love to see it when it's finished, man. I know that's gonna be a great building.
This is the university, it's a private university.
So,
That one is that's a student hostel accommodation. Actually, within this area, there are actually 3 universities.
I was about to say, there's a lot of universities right here.
There is Daystar, there's Strathmore, and there's one called Riara.
Okay.
So you find all those stuff. This is where they stay.
And all of them, they live on the premises where they study?
No, they live here. This is hostel.
Ah,
There's
okay.
another investor who put up hostels.
Ah.
Actually, for you to get accommodation there, you must be a student.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, well, I like that, man. Like I said, I love the setup. Because it's like that a lot of times, but not all the time where I'm from. Sometimes you would live far away from where you have to study.
That's the main stuff. in America, it's only the president who will have that chest car.
Who have what?
Yeah, like in America, the president, can a minister have, does a minister also have a chest car?
You said chest car?
Yes. Like they have a chest car.
Oh, a car accompanying them?
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's only the president, really.
Yeah,
Maybe the vice president has one, or you know.
Yeah, almost everyone.
Really?
Yes.
It's not really anybody else but the president, maybe vice president. I don't think senators or if they do, they might have to pay for it. But it's not just, it's not just a normal thing.
So now that is our barracks.
Okay. Soldiers?
Yes. That's the headquarters for the whole army. Kennedy James Forces. That's the headquarters. And they are here in Hurlingham. We have an electric charge.
Oh, for electric cars?
Yes.
Yeah, I hear. Before I came, I heard Kenya was very modern with a lot of things. From M-Pesa,
Yes.
you all being ahead of the game in that. So you got the electric charging stations. You see the solar panels on this mugging bean. Yeah, it's looking good.
Now, this mugging bean is run by solar. This station, all of these stations.
It's all solar power.
Yes.
Oh, wow. See, mugging bean is new to me. I hadn't even seen that until I went to South Africa.
That is common.
Yeah, I see. We just, in America, it's mostly like Starbucks, you know. I had some of the food, though. It was pretty decent. It wasn't bad.
Yes. So, here is your stage to Yaya.
Sawa.
Have you tried nyama choma?
That's on my list. You know, I don't eat much meat, Kaka.
Yeah.
I'm mostly eating boga, matunda.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna make an exception for the nyama choma.
You have to try nyama choma.
Yeah.
Fast food.
Yeah, I know. I've been eating some cuckoo since I've been here a little bit with my friend, but I heard about Cuquitos too, the 24-hour spot. I might have to try this out.
It's a very nice place.
But yeah, we're gonna go for some nyama choma too.
Yeah.
So where's the station?